Throw Natalia, sleep, close your eyes.
Nice.
Dah, come. Give uncle. Thank you.
I don't want to makan you, but I want to sleep.
Okay, sekarang Falisha pula sleep. Falisha pula sleep. Okay, Falisha sleep. Alah, pandailah. Pandailah dia dah habis the cover lah.
But she's wondering how to
So
come.
clever lah. Cover? Okay, come and help you. Okay. Thank you. Give? Give? No, not give 5. Give that bottle. Give? No, not give me 5. Why you give me 5? Give me 5? High 5? High 5? Alright. High 10?
High ten is left.
Alright. Clever lah. Both hand? Both hand? No, both hand. The other hand. The other hand also. No, both hand. Like that.
Like this. Like this.
Both hand.
Stop.
Clever. Clever girl.
High five. High five.
More. More. More pumpkin. You are what? 1 year old, is it?
No, just one remember.
More.
More pumpkin.
More pumpkin. More.
See, this is what happened to little boys who refuse to listen, and this is what happened to his arm. Show me your arm. Hurry
Show
up.
the leg first. Show the leg first.
Look at the arm. See, is this hideous? And this is what happened to the leg. See, this is Adik. Adik. Okay, adik. Oh, okay. Adik. Okay, give mommy. Okay. Oh, lo, sayang dia. Okay. Dah.
Tanya.
Okay.
Oi.
Okay. Mommy give. Okay, darling. Look at Falisha. Okay, sayang. Don't do that. Okay, dah stop. Don't do that lah. Kenapa dengan Nafal ni? Okay. Yeah, we can capture what Daddy is doing also, Natalia.